Kavita ma'am, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Thank you. Good afternoon and a hearty welcome to one and all to the day 5 of the 7-day online International Faculty Development Program on Progressing Amidst Hindrance, Turning Adversity into Opportunity, organized by the PG and Research Department of Commerce, Ethraj College, Pune, in collaboration with Miles Education. For the day 4 session held yesterday, we had Ms. Vidya Madhubala Rajashekar, Assistant Vice President, MUFG Bank, Texas, USA, who gave us an insight on the topic US versus India from an accountant's view. Ms. Vidya gave a very intricate view on the similarities and differences in US and India education system. The speaker focused on ways of developing a successful accounting career in the US and concluded the session by giving inputs on most valuable skills for students for a strong career development. Today, to enlighten us on the topic, Facebook linked Hello YouTube, Where is My Money? We have with us Mr. Dharnidharan GD, Director and Founder of Social Eagle. Mr. Dharnidharan is a first-generation entrepreneur from Sivagasi. Having completed his master's degree in computer science, he worked for telecom majors like Telcordia and Verizon. He has also headed the marketing department at Natural Saloon and Spa, where he managed the end-to-end marketing activities. He kickstarted his marketing stint as a brand manager for engineering colleges and played the key role of strategizing, branding, and marketing. He's also the current president of BNI Aspire and holds over a decade of experience in the fields of marketing and information technology. His company, Social Eagle, has worked for world's best brands like Asus, Nestle, H&S, Mary's, Singapore Management University, Ricola, and Nature Valley. His company, Social Eagle, was awarded as Emerging Social Media Company in 2017 at Asia's largest global mobile app summit. Mr. Dharnidharan has been awarded as Best New Junior Chamber in 2017. He has been interviewed on Doordarshan, National Channel, and various other channels and FM stations. Warm welcome to you, sir. We are delighted to have you to share your expertise with us. On that note, I once again welcome all the participants for today's session. Over to Mr. Dharnidharan.
Thank you so much, Kavita, for the introduction. Thank you so much. Yes, friends, very good afternoon. Yes, can I expect a reply in the chat box? Yes, very good afternoon. Yes, are you able to see the chat box? Can you give a quick reply in the chat box? Yes.
Well, sir, some of them are posting it in the question, that is the question panel. They have been responding to you by saying good afternoon.
Oh, okay, it's there. Okay. You can reply. They can reply in the chat box, right?
Yeah. So whoever has got laptops on them, they'll see the chat window. The ones who are logged in on phones may not be able to see it. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for clarification. Okay. Yes. Good afternoon, friends. Here and there, I will be asking few questions, and I expect you to reply in the. Maybe you can post it in the Q&A itself, because being the afternoon session, that too after the lunch at 2 o'clock, we know what will happen, right? Yes or no? And feel free to answer in the Q&A session, like you can have your questions floated in there. Okay. Yes, friends, are you all ready? If so, type yes. Super, fantastic. So here is the deal. I will be covering 2-3 different topics today that is going to help you understand like how you can utilize the digital platforms and how you can make money. Okay, this is what I wanted to focus on today. Okay, and I guess my screen is visible now. Yes, is my screen visible? Yes.
Your screen is visible.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, see, basically we will be focusing on different platforms and how you could make money. This is where our focus would be. So my focus for the day today is there are different apps: Facebook, Instagram, you have YouTube, and you have regional apps like Hello. Okay, I'll be covering all these apps today. Okay, so different apps, how you could make money using different apps. This is what I will be focusing on today. Okay, point number 1. And secondly, we'll be talking about how you can sell a digital product. Going forward, selling a digital product is the need of the hour. Okay, digital product, how you could sell it. That is what we will be focusing on. Digital product is nothing but a recorded course. It can be a recorded course. It can be a live seminar kind of classes where you will be building your own audience and you will be giving them the value addition in terms of your learning. And third thing, you can be an agency or a freelancer, how you could make money. Okay, there are 3 different ways of making money online, and this is what we are going to focus on. And depending on your experience, you can choose either one of these, and you can make the best. You can leverage the existing scenario, and you can make maybe a lot of money by adding value to a lot of people. Okay, that is what our focus is on. So, like we would be using. Can we enable chat, Mr. My friend? Can we enable the chat? Possible for the audience? Because like I want them to reply as well. Yes, can we enable the chat for them? Yes, sir. Okay, cool. Okay, fine. So there are basically different things that I'm trying to focus on now. Yes, in the screen you could see, yes, in the screen you will be able to see Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Hello as different options. Okay, now most of you would be using Facebook or Instagram in your mobile apps, right? But using that, are we making money? Using that, are we making money? We are not making money using that, right? We are present there. We are just present there. But can we make money? How can we make money? So that is the case here. What we are going to do is we are going to become a producer rather than a consumer. This is the highlight here. When you are using these kind of apps, if you are only using it for consuming, then you don't make money. But if you could produce something, obviously there is a possibility of making money. So what does it mean actually? Producer in the sense, you can create advertisements. You can create advertisements. You can create advertisements. You can create content. Content in the sense, you can create videos in content. And you could create or become on authority. Become on authority. Yes. Now, very importantly here, yes, 1 second, not able to see this. Okay. Now, if you are good at something, you have to become authority in that particular field. Okay. So, what comes naturally to you, you will become an authority in that field naturally. So, here, what is that we are going to focus now is, can we talk something meaningful where there are audiences? We are going to talk something that is useful and meaningful. In the sense, you may be good in accounts. Say, for example, you can be good in accounts. You can be good in branding. Can you provide daily content that is related to accounts, that is related to branding? Or you can be good at movie watching. You will watch a lot of movies. You watch cricket. There are a number of options. Okay. So if you are good at something, can you create content? Say, for example, there are different YouTube channels, right? If you want to watch movies, before watching a movie, what we normally do, we normally get into the YouTube channel, watch the review, and then only we get into the specific movies, right? We go ahead and purchase tickets for those movies, right? But how do the reviewers make money? How do the reviewers make money? Yes, any idea? Can you type it in Q&A? Yes, how do the reviewers make money? Any idea? Yes, how do they make money? Yes, no idea. Okay. Any thought process behind it? Yes. Number of views. Exactly. What we do is they post a video and they give a movie review. Okay. Say for example, if you would have heard about in Tamil Nadu, there are 2 people who normally give reviews. Mostly it is Prashant and Gulusetti Maran. Okay. Can you assume the amount that they make doing these reviews online? Can you come up with some numbers? Can you assume some numbers now? How much they make by doing just videos online? Okay, by doing videos online, how much they make? Any idea? Okay, so have you heard about this channel called Let's Make Engineering Simple? So this is the monthly estimated revenue. That means $568. $568 to rupees is somewhere between 43,000. The bare minimum and maximum is $9,100. $9,100. $9,100. That means 6.9 lakh, right? 6.9 lakh every month. That is how they provide content and they are earning money. This is one simple channel where they talk technology. He is an authority in doing engineering, in explaining engineering terms in a simple format. Okay. There is another thing. Tamil Tech is right. Tamil Tech is the other thing. So Tamil Tech is how much they make. Maximum of 10.8. 10.8. Near to 8 lakhs they make. Maximum of bare minimum they make at least 50,000. $678. $678 they make. That is 51,000 they make. Okay. Just by watching movie, their only job is to watch movie, give review. Watch movie, give review. Every week there are at least some 3 movies getting released. So they get the predominant share from the number of views that happens in YouTube, point number 1. And secondly, their primary revenue comes from the ads. Before even they give the review, there will be at least 4 or 5 ads about the movie, about the brand. Each ad, on an average, they charge 20,000 bare minimum. I have paid 45,000 to them. Okay, so on a worst case, even if it is 20,000 per ad, for each and every video, they make 1 lakh money on an average. Okay, say in that particular week there are 3 movies, they make 3 lakhs. For the month there are only 10 movie releases, they make 10 lakh easily. Okay, so that is how they make money. Okay, on doing what you love, you can earn money. That's what I'm trying to position here. And secondly, it is not only related to movies, it can also be related to technical content. You can brand yourself differently. Can you help people to learn something? In those cases, you become the authority and you will be able to get most of the details and you will be able to give the knowledge to the society and eventually you will make money. So the first thing that you have to understand, become a producer rather than watching videos in TikTok, make videos in TikTok. I'm talking about the useful content that can be delivered in TikTok also. Say for example, you are good in maybe diet, you can be good in making some food items, okay, cooking. So all these things can your hobby that can be created as a stream of income for you if you could utilize these channels effectively. And same way, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, all these platforms, if you are good at something, keep doing it consistently and in a great focus that is required here. So how you do it? You do it consistently with a lot of focus, and there should be commitment from your side to add value to your end customer. Your end customer is people who are looking for such videos. You are good in technology, can you do some technological videos, right? This is one way of making money. And second way, I'm going to show you the Facebook that you have not seen, the Facebook that is not seen in the front end. So normally this is the back end. I'm just going to give you an idea about how it looks like. I'm just going to give you an idea about how it looks like. Just a second, it is getting loaded. This is where the advertisements happen for different companies. Okay, this you will not be seeing in the front end, but it will be seen from the back end. This is where you will be able to target people who are using very specific phones, very specific area target you can make. You can focus only on men, only on women, or between age groups so and so, or people working in very specific companies you can focus on. This is where you create the advertisement, and this will be only displayed to people who are looking, whom we are looking for. Okay, say for example here, I'm just going to place an advertisement just to give you a glimpse of how the advertisement is being targeted. I'm going to do it live here to give you an example. Like these are the pages that I manage. So you have seen some sponsored ads in different places, right? In Facebook and in Instagram. This is how the sponsored ads are made. Here, you will be able to find the place. Say, for example, if you want to focus only on very specific area, if you want to focus only on Solinganallur, for example, you can target only Solinganallur. Okay? Are you, who is your target audience? Who is your target audience? That also we can target here. Say, for example, here, the target audience would be, you can edit this target audience between age 25 to 45. You will be able to target, for example, you can target up to 50, and only people between this age, both men and women, will be able to see the advertisement. Say, for example, if you are exclusively working on a woman's garment, then you can focus only on women, and you will be able to target them. Now, very specifically, the detailed target is where you will be able to target different people based on education, what level they are in, whether they are in college or they are doing some doctorate degree, or they are in their PGs. Like this, you will be able to target. And very importantly, you would have seen advertisements people born in June are awesome, people born in October are genius. Those kind of advertisement would have hit you during your birthday month. That happens here. During your birthday month, we can select people who have birthdays in a specific month, and we can target them as well. You can target people between so and so age group who has birthday in that particular 7 to 30 days. Are they recently engaged? Are they recently committed? Are they recently wed? Based on this, if they are engaged, immediately you can do advertisement for photographers, for people who are into wedding industry. It can be decors, it can be caterers, it can be photographers, it can be jewelry, it can be anything. Maybe like honeymoon trips, you can focus anything here. You can also focus only parents between so and so age, of kids between age 0 to 12 months, 18 to 26, 3 to 5 years. If they have kids between the age 3 to 5 years, we will be able to target them. And based on the relationship status, we can target. Based on work, where they work, what is the job title, which industry they belong to, we can target them. And people who are interested in PUBG, you can target. People who are interested in online rummy, you can target. People who are interested in Big Boss, you can target. Like this, you will be able to target different people based on their interest. And based on behavior, this is very easy. Like you can find out people who are using very specific, are they buying high value products, or based on their digital activity, are they using Facebook for payments, what kind of internet browser are they using, Chrome, Firefox, what kind of OS they are using. Like this, you will be able to do. You can find out what kind of mobile device they are using, whether they are using Kindle, Apple, which kind of Apple, 5, iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, XR, XS, iPad, iPad mini, all these things you can target. Like you can also target whether they are having Oppo or Vivo or Xiaomi. Like this, you will be able to target. And you can target only people who are using iOS alone. More than that, you can find the people who are using 2G, 3G, 4G Wi-Fi. You will be able to target this kind of people. And more importantly, you can also target people who has corona or not. You can directly target frequent travelers, frequent international travelers, returned from traveling 1 week ago, returned from traveling 2 weeks ago. You can send them a message saying that don't come out of home. you are a possible victim of corona, don't be a carrier. Those kind of messages can also happen. Okay, yes, depending on these kind of things, we will be able to target the right kind of audience. So to support a company who wants to do an advertisement, you can take freelancing options and you will be able to do advertisement on your own. Yes, are you able to follow until now? So that is where you are either becoming producer to produce some content, or you are becoming a producer where you provide advertisement for an agency. This is how you will be able to target. Yes, are you able to follow until now? Yes, you can type in the Q&A session for now. Yes, do you have the support team here? Yes, do you have the support team here? Tech support team here? Okay, no, fine, cool. Yes, the next thing is the other option, which is very famous now, is selling a digital product. Okay, by selling digital product alone, I'll tell you my case study. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, just a second. I'm just opening my screens here. Give me a moment. This is just taking one more minute to open. Give me a moment. Yes. Okay, are you able to see my screen now? Yes, I guess.
Yes.
Yes. Can you enable this option of chatting, because like that would be really great if people could interact. If possible, enable chat for all participants so that it will be easy for me. Possible?
Yeah, I mean, by default, it's enabled for everyone. As I told
But
you, the person who is on a laptop can put this across.
okay, but I'm not able to see any of the chat messages. That's why I'm wondering. Okay. Yes. Okay.
I'll just
Fine.
drop in a message.
Yes, please. Okay, so like this is where I started. Okay, this is where I started. Actually, I started on March 23rd. Okay, I'm just giving you some numbers only to ensure that you get inspired out of it. Okay, because when things are not falling in place, I'm just clicking in the date March 23rd. That is when I started doing this. From March 20 till date, in one particular account, you could see this number. I have sold to 441 people a different online course. This is one more account of mine. In last less than 1 month, I was able to clock around 5.75 lakhs here. Okay, this was only possible by selling for 217 people. Okay, so 217 plus I would have easily got some 3 lakhs in my direct bank account. That comes close to 15 plus lakhs in just 3 months time. That was only possible because I became a producer of a digital product. This is where things drastically change. Without having employees, without having all the systems, you have to have only Wi-Fi and one laptop. That is sufficient. And with your knowledge, you will be able to make good money. This is where the going forward, this is the game. Okay, you have to master this game. There are around some 10-12 tools you have to master easily. That is required now. That is the need of the hour. Okay, so now if you want to make money, you have to make digital product. In this case, with this rate, at least next 2-3 months, the lockdown is going to sustain. Either you have to become a freelancer and easily make 20,000 per month, or become a creator of a digital product, and there is no limit of earning here. And this particular product, yes, this particular product doesn't understand whether the market is affected by corona or not. Okay, if people need knowledge and if you are able to add value, you can sell digital product. Can I expect a yes from everyone? Now let us check the chat. Yes, in chat box, can you type in yes? Yes. Are you able to see the chat? Fine. I guess still they are posting in Q&A. Yes. Okay. Fine. Fine. Cool. So this is how you make online products, and how you sell those products. You will not have an online store. You will be doing an advertisement in Facebook or Instagram or in different channels. You bring them to a live webinar. I guess you would have seen these things. In live webinar, you will be selling the course. In the live webinar, you will be selling the course. That is how this happens. Okay, in live webinar, you will be selling the course. Here, you will provide a 1 hour webinar, free webinar, and after attending the webinar, they tend to purchase your product. And on average, if the product is really good, if 100 people are attending, at least 10 people will purchase. That means 10 into 3,000, 30,000 rupees you can earn in a single day. That kind of possibility is there. We are not exploring because we are not used to this particular knowledge. We are always consuming stuff, but we are not producing stuff. A simple drift of the mindset from being a consumer to a producer will get you a lot of result. Friends, believe it or not, sitting at home without doing any, without having any office setup, without being answerable to anybody else except for your course and to your conscience, you will be able to make superb money. Need of the hour is we have not been told or we have not been educated on how to make money. All this while we have been conditioned saying that money comes in a hard way. That is not really that's not the reality. I have been running company for the past 4.5 years. I was earning 1.5 lakh every month by doing the hardest way of selling. After Corona came, like what I was doing for my end customers, I started doing it online. I created some different courses online. In less than a month, I created more than 7 courses, and I was taking classes for people in Singapore and people who are in the real estate industries. And within doing any advertisement on a single post alone, I was able to get more number of participants who are willing to pay 2,000, 3,000 rupees for my course. I sell courses from 499 rupees to 30,000 rupees. I am selling courses. There are different courses that I sell. I talk about Facebook, I talk about LinkedIn, I talk about making videos, how to conduct an online course that I conducted as a course, and 21-day challenge. These are all recorded courses where it is easy for you. When people come there, no, they will be able to pay you, and they will be able to access the course. Actually, they will be able to access the course. I'll show you one example. All these are recorded courses. You have to master some 5-6 tools basically. Max of 10 tools, that is sufficient. This is how the courses will look like. It is a recorded course, and you can configure it for your own need. Yes, very simple. And yes, and my agenda is to reach out to Tamil speaking people. And yes, this is how I made my course. Okay, so this will be the recorded one. It will be a recorded version. Okay, this will be the recorded version where they will be taken through different set of course curriculum, and end of the day they will be submitting their assignments, and then they will be able to get the certifications. Okay, very simple. If you are good at something, you have to record a course. And now very easily you could sell it in WhatsApp. It's the trend now. WhatsApp, 199 rupees, 99 rupees onwards, 99 rupees to 499. If you are good at something, 5-day WhatsApp class. Don't be a consumer, be a producer. You are using WhatsApp anyways. You are using Telegram anyways. Can you make use of it? That is what my focus is on. Okay. Yes, are you able to follow this, friends? Yes. Now I'm going to let open for questions, because more number of questions I'll be able to add more value. I need to understand what you have in mind. Sir, how do we take it, sir? Hello?
So tell me, please.
Yes, yes. I want to allow the participants to ask questions, so that from there I can take it forward, sir.
Okay, so you want us to start the question session now?
Yes, yes, yes. Now you could allow them to ask.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay. How to start in FB? Can you show it again? Yes, it is very simple. In your profile, Near to the home button, there is something called as create. Click on create, and then you'll be able to see create ads. That will take you to the ad manager in your Facebook. Yes, that will take you to the ad manager in Facebook. Yes. Yeah.
Fine. Fatima Banu has a question. I'm just unmuting her.
Okay.
Fatima
Please.
Banu, please unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay. Now, in the panel, there's a question, sir. It says how to start in FB. Can you show it again? How to start the ad in FB?
Yeah. I just explained to Ms. Renuga Vijayan.
Yeah. Done.
Yes.
So,
Yes. I just. Yeah. I'm able to. Yes. Okay. Whose
done.
product and what products we have to sell? Yes, Mohammed Mira. Okay. This is very simple. If you want to become an authority, you can sell your own product. Affiliate marketing is also possible, but affiliate marketing takes its own time. If you are good at something, you can immediately launch the course for yourself. Okay. Rather than selling others' product, you can start selling your own product. Otherwise, say suppose if I am selling the product for 3,000 rupees, you could become an affiliate to me and you can start selling to your friends and you will be able to get at least 20 to 25% commission in each sale. That is also possible. Okay. Yes, we have to look for opportunities now because people need knowledge and people have to be educated in the way where they are understood. People have to understand the topic and they have to understand the customer and accordingly they have to give the course. So such courses will always have the audience. Can you please elaborate on selling course in WhatsApp? Yes. See, there are different ways of selling. Okay. One is doing advertisement in Facebook and bringing to the webinar. In WhatsApp, say for example, for this also, for conducting WhatsApp course, say for example, we are conducting course for 5 days. Okay. You have to create a course content. First day, what you are going to teach. Second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. And all these are, it can be 30 minute segment, and this can be a recorded one, and this recorded one will be hosted in any of these platforms, for example, Vimeo or YouTube. Okay, and this link will be only available for a certain period. After that, it will be removed. With Vimeo, you will be able to have password protected link. Okay, you can try with the YouTube also. Now 30 minutes, so 2.5 hours. They don't mind spending 99 rupees or 499 rupees. You can easily sell that product for them. Okay, but you have to reach to the minimal audience first. So how you'll do it? You'll do it in your Facebook. You can do Facebook advertisement like how I showed it there, and you can put it as your Facebook status and forward it in group and get the 10 numbers now. And after that, you will be able to generate more number of people. Yes, how to sell course? For selling courses, there are different things that you have to master. First thing is you have to, I will sell you the flow so that it will be easy for you how to sell online courses. Okay, to sell that particular product, first you need to have your audience. So to reach your audience, you are going to do advertisements in Facebook. Okay, in Facebook you are getting a lead. That means you'll get the phone number, address, email ID of the customer. Once you get the lead, point number 2, you'll be sending email marketing. You have to do emails and you have to send SMS. For email marketing, you have to understand some tool called as GetResponse. You'll be sending automatic reminder. Automatic reminder for what? To attend this webinar, free webinar, inviting them for free webinar. This will happen. In the same SMS, you'll be using ClickSend is the automatic SMS. ClickSend is the automatic SMS tool. Automatic SMS tool. You will be inviting them for free webinar. Okay, free webinar. Now, when you get Facebook leads, automatically send an email, automatically send an SMS. To integrate this, you need to have a tool called Zapier. Zapier tool is nothing but an integrator. Now, with I'm giving you an like how many tools we are discussing. You'll be able to see here. If you are good at this, number one, you have to understand Facebook. Number two, you have to understand get response. Number two, you have to understand click send SMS. Click send SMS. Click send SMS. Number four, you have to understand JPR. And number five, you have to understand Zoom on how to use for creating the login IDs or the webinar IDs, and you have to share them with you. Okay. Now, Zoom will have the online class link. Now, in the Zoom, you are conducting a free webinar. After in that free webinar, you will be explaining about some product. Say, for example, if I am promoting Facebook for lead generation, I'll be talking about Facebook for lead generation, which will automatically have 7 hours of content. I cannot give 7 hours of content in a single, maybe in 1 hour, I cannot give all those content. So I'll be explaining them some basic concepts, and then I will sell the course online. There, they will be paying using InstaMojo or Razorpay. Razorpay, these are the predominantly used tool, or you can use Paytm, or you can use GPay or PhonePe. These are the tools you have to master. So once you understand the flow, how are we going to sell this thing, you will be able to, and apart from this, for the recorded course, you have something called as Teachable. Yes. I'm sorry. Yes. This is how you will be able to sell. Yes. Yes, friends. Yes, I'm not able to see the control here. Just a moment. Yes. How to sell courses? Provide your details. Okay. We will think on that angle. Okay. In the sense, Renamam, I'm not able to get it. Get the question right. What's that? You want my contact details or what is that? Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I think they wanted to contact you. That's the reason they wanted the details.
Okay. You can contact me here. Yes, I guess this is visible. My mail ID is, this is my mail ID. I guess this is visible, and I don't attend calls. This is only for WhatsApp, and you can stay connected in my Facebook page. Yes. This is my Facebook page. Okay, you can connect me there. Okay, yes. Contact, yes, I have said. Yes, contact, I have said. What is JPR? Okay, JPR is an integrated tool. Okay, how to sell recorded course video. Yes, I guess that is what I have explained in it. I guess I have explained it in detail here. JPR is an integrator where if you are getting, it is an auto, like if you want to automate things, you have to use JPR. I'll show you some example. It reduces your interference in business. So without doing any manual work, it can automatically do. Say for example, I have created some jabs. Jabs are predefined tasks. If something happens, do this. If something happens, do this. So I'm doing it here. If something happens in Facebook, send an SMS. Click send is a tool. If something happens in Facebook, store it in a Google Drive. If something happens in Excel sheet, send out an automatic mail. If something happens in Excel sheet, give one teachable permission. Like this, I have automated all the tasks. Getting a Facebook, storing it in maybe Excel sheet, Google sheet, and sending an email. Everything happens in a single shot. So there is no need for you to download each and every lead and send an SMS or send an email. That will become a tedious job if you want to scale up. So to do that, you need JPR. Yes, Leonard, I guess I have answered your question. Yes. To sell a recorded course, yes, you have to have something called as teachable.com. Teachable.com is where you can host your own university or academy online. So this is where you will have your courses listed. You will have all your courses listed, and all those videos will be uploaded here. Again, everything comes with a payment here. Yes. Like yes, Chinese apps like TikTok, hello, like every app when you are using, you are compromising your security. Why should we leave Facebook alone? Facebook also, like, they used our internal data. Because of this Cambridge Analytica issue, you would have known that our data is being compromised. So when you come to online, you are compromising your data. So no other go. We have to live with it actually. No other option we have. And particularly Hello, that is going to be the overall used, the number one used regional language tool. What you could do, what you cannot do with Facebook, you can do with Hello. So it has its own leverage advantage. So this is where with the Teachable you will be able to load your lectures. You can upload your PDF. Like most of the lecturers, they will be doing the curriculum, right? Based on the same curriculum, what you learn in day 1, day 2, all these things can get onto the Teachable platform. So you'll be given an access. You'll have a username and password, like how you get it in Udemy or Coursera. In the same way, you can also learn here. Yes. Another questions? Any other questions? So now that you know the tool's name, I have given it very easily in the flow. I have given it. Feel free to take a screenshot if you require. So this will be useful for you. Yes. Yes, friends. Any other questions? I'll be happy to answer for you.
I'll just go and check the audience list once if they have any questions, sir. Okay.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
I think we are good to go, sir. I think you have answered the questions that were posted on the panel.
Okay. Okay.
So anything else that you want to add, sir, or can we call it today?
Okay. What can we do to target kids? Kids are not the decision makers. Okay. Kids are not the decision makers. Their parents are the decision makers. So here you have to give a message that convinces the parent. As I told here, in detailed targeting, there are options where you can target people or parents between. So which age group you want to target? Renuga, if you could give me the age group, we can target here 3 to 5 years, 6 to 8 years kids, 1 to 2 years, yes, 9 to 12 years. You can target those people directly. You are not targeting the teens, but you are targeting the parents of these people. Okay, what is the software you are using now for mind mapping? It is called MindMeister. It is called MindMeister. MindMeister is the tool. You will get 3 maps for free. It is just $25 per year. You can create n number of this thing, mind maps, and it allows you to download also. It allows you to download, export as PDF. You can have it in portrait format. You can export it. So the results are great. Like rather than doing presentations for more than an hour, I was able to do it. Like whatever I had, I was able to bring it to the presentation with just only mind map, and it gives you the list. So it is easy. So now I can directly share this to your college, so it can be circulated to different people, and it has all the information here. Yes. 8 to 10 years. 8 to 10 years is direct target, ma'am. 8 to 10 years is direct target. primary school, and you have to select this both the options, and you can target them. Is it online or offline? It is online. The tool is online. Yes. MindMaster is online, and you can add images also. You can add images. There are options to include images also. Let me show you how. Here you can include image, add image, upload an image, and it can come here. Yes. So, okay, super. Yes, friends, any other questions? See, this is the game going forward. We cannot miss, we cannot afford to miss this. Okay, somewhere or other, you have to start earning and try to come out of the fact that only hard work alone gives money. That is the old saying, actually. By doing work smart, by doing justice to the audience, by reaching out to the audience and building a community, reaching out to more number of people, you can actually make more money. That is possible. And I have friends, I have my mentors who earned around more than 7 crores in this lockdown, sitting at home again. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you, Renga. Yes. Now you have to understand these facts. These are the current trends. Rather than building a product from the scratch, starting your own business, all these things. Yes, I have done that. I have grasped all those things. But if you are good at something, that has to be communicated. That has to be told to different people. And that is how you add value. Right? How does payment done? Payment is done in InstaMojo, Razorpay, or Paytm. You will receive the payment here in Razorpay, say for example. So you could see here like how many people have done the transaction, and every 2 days it comes to your account. Every 2 days it comes to your account. Like I sell different products for us from 777. It's my favorite product that I sell in this particular tool. In the other tool, it comes in every 3 days. I sell products that are worth 2,999. Okay, so 2,999 is my a product that is very famous that I sell here. I'm not able to see it here. Yes. So every 3 days it comes there, comes to your bank account directly. Yes, any other questions? So payment is directly done to your bank account. You will have to attach your PAN card. You have to attach your bank account. Then it comes directly to your bank account. Yes, any other question? Yes,
Sir, I think we're good to go.
Okay, cool. Thank you then. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah. So request Ms. Bhuvneshwari ma'am to take over the presentation to thank the speaker.
Good afternoon to one and all. On behalf of PG and Research Department of Commerce, I would like to take this opportunity to express my thanks to Mr. Dharanidharan, Director, Founder of Social Eagle, for sharing his expertise on Facebook linked Allo YouTube, Where My Money. The session was very interesting and helped us to gain more knowledge about how to use various apps like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram to make money by selling our products in the current scenario, which is very much needed. I once again thank you, sir, for your time and effort. I thank all the participants for attending today's session and request you all to join tomorrow's session on recent change in direct tax law by Hari Chartered Accountant, Chief Executive Partner, Manohar Chaudhary and Associate at 4 p.m. The registration link to join the session will be posted in the WhatsApp group shortly. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks to the management, and yes, thanks to the organizing committee, and yes, for all the 153 participants who were very active and listening. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you very much.